Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to prove that 1 plus tan theta into tan 2 theta equal to sec 2 theta. So going to take the LHS left hand side. So here we can write 1 plus tan theta into tan 2 theta. Now this I'm going to convert into the form of sine cos. So we can write sine theta and divide by cos theta, and here sine 2 theta divide by cos 2 theta. Now hereafter we can also write this one, sine theta divide by cos theta, and this we already know sine 2 theta formula, 2 sine theta into cos theta we can write, and about cos 2 theta we can write cos square theta minus sine square theta. So in place of this we can write 2 sine theta into cos theta, and about cos theta we can write cos square theta minus sine square theta. Now this cos that cancel, and thereafter going to take the LCM of cos square theta minus sine square theta. So cos square theta minus sine square theta, that will divide by 1. So here that come cos square theta minus sine square theta, this will multiply with 1. So here that come cos square theta minus sine square theta. Now here to write sine theta into sine theta, that is sine square theta. Now after that when I subtract these two, so here that come cos square theta, that come sine square theta when I do the subtraction. Now hereafter cos square theta minus sine square theta. So sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. So here this is 1. Now cos square theta minus sine square theta we can write cos 2 theta, and our intention is to get sec 2 theta. So 1 by cos we can write sec. So sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So here we can write sec 2 theta is there, 2 theta right. So LHS equal to RHS equal to sec 2 theta proved. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.